Hi everyone, welcome back. I still have my morning morning voice. Oh, it's getting worse. Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. That's just my opening every fucking time. For those who don't know me, hello, I'm Sophie. For those who know me, do you still know me? Because it's been a while. Anyway, I'm not going to talk about my bad managing skills. Today we're going to dye my hair. As you can see, it looks ridiculous. I'm aware of that. Yesterday, I bleached my hair, obviously. My boyfriend helped me. Thank you, babe. So as you can, it was very yellow. So I put some silver shampoo in it to let it soak in. So it's a bit grey and not too yellow, but it still looks ridiculous. That's a fact. I cut myself yesterday with the scissors. Like, I literally just snapped it in half. It's fucked. For real. I was in shock. Anyway, I saw a video of Stella Genie, if that's her name, if that's how you pronounce it. She does all the hair videos. Truly amazing. She always looks really good. Yeah, I saw this video, and I think I've said this a year ago as well, in my video where I turned my hair blue, but I didn't put the blonde over it like she did. She dyed her hair blue, and then she put 2 shades of blonde over it, and then she got that blue grey-ish shine, which was really nice. But I was like, putting blonde over anything is dangerous. So I was not gonna do that, but now I am, because I have nothing to lose. Anyway, so I watched her video again, and I ordered the 3 that she uses, which is the Schwarzkopf Igora Royal Pearlessence in the shade P623. And the same kind from Schwarzkopf, only this is a permanent color cream 80, which says light blonde. And another one from the same kind, which is 855, which says light blonde gold extra. Yeah, so those are the 3 I'm gonna use. I'm very excited about that. Not exactly a year ago, but like within 28 days. I used this a year ago. Yeah, I went blue a year ago, so I can't imagine that's been a year. 2020, luckily, has gone really fast, but still. Okay, I'm getting annoyed by myself, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna take this lovely towel that I already fucked up so mum doesn't get angry, and we're gonna get started. So I am not gonna show the whole process of me dyeing my hair because it's boring, and also my camera is 45% because my dumb ass didn't charge it, so I didn't do anything. So okay, we're gonna just get moving. Okay, so I'm using this Schwarzkopf Blonde Me Premium Developer from 2%. I'm using 60 milliliters because the ratio is 1:1, and this is 60, so. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it up and put it on my hair. We are done. It is very blue, but obviously we knew that. Oh shit. I'm gonna let this sit, I think, for only half an hour because it's quite blue already, or 20 minutes even, and then I'm gonna wash it off, and then it's time for part 2. I'm gonna ask my boyfriend to help because my whole neck is blue. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, we're back. Oh god, why is my camera so weird? Okay, that's just, I had it on for 45 minutes and I watched it, ate some pasta, and it turned out to be massive neon fucking fluo, whatever you call it, blue. Yeah, it's very, very, very blue. I even dyed my skin. I never dyed my skin. Like, that never happened before. It's very blue. So the next step, step 2, is to dye some blonde mix all over it. So it hopefully turns out grayish with a blue undertone. I'd be very happy that would work because this is very blue and I don't dislike it, but it's just not what I want, you know, so let's get it together. Okay, we need 40 milliliters of the 8O and 10 milliliters of 955. No. Oh my god, I ordered the wrong one. Okay, so I ordered 8O and 855 and she uses 8O and 955. I don't know what the fuck the difference is, but let me just search that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I searched what the difference was and basically the 9 is a bit more light than 8. It said it's both like, this one says Hell Blonde Gold Extra and I think the other one said Extra Light Gold Extra something, so it's just a bit more light. Okay, we are done, I hope. Why is my camera not straight? Again. Okay, I hope this is the last time I have to dye it today because I fucking hate it. I just really want to go on my skin a little bit because the blue also got on my skin and I just want the blue to be gone. So, as you can tell on my neck, it is quite brown or something, so I hope that it really covers up the blue because sometimes you just dye all over it and the color just doesn't really, well, doesn't really dye your hair, so I hope it does, because my graduation is tomorrow. So I really thought my hair was really ugly, so I wanted to put a new color over it because it was really ugly. It really needed to be bleached, my roots were showing. And my hair were blonde, silver and purple, so it really wasn't nice. So everything is better, I guess. If it's blue, it's blue, and I can tell my kids, like, look at mommy at her graduation, she had blue hair, mommy was a wild child. Or something like that. Okay, I think I got everything. Oh god, I had to make some more because it wasn't enough. But, you know, although I have the wrong colours, I hope that it turns out the same as Stella Ginny because her hair was beautiful. Like honestly, it was so pretty. She advised to leave it on for 30 minutes. I'm gonna see what my hair looks like in 30 minutes. Maybe I'll leave it on a bit longer. Oh, my ear is fucking blue. Yeah, but we'll see what it does. I'm very curious how this is gonna turn out, and especially how it's gonna look dry, because wet is always different. Yes. Hello everyone. Okay, we're back. As you can see, my hair worked out exactly how I wanted it. I'm so happy with it. Honestly, I've already washed it once. Because it was a hectic weekend, but yeah, I'm very happy with the color. It turned out really good. It's actually exactly the color I wanted 1 year ago. I still want it. That's what I wanted to achieve 1 year ago when I tried to go blue, and I didn't. Yeah, I really love this. This is really nice. I'm gonna see if my camera, I'm gonna do a little turn. I got a pimple coming up right here. But just to see the color a bit better. It's cool, isn't it? Right, so I think we can say mission accomplished. I'm really happy with this look. I'm buzzing, honestly. It just suits me. I think the dark color, my mum thinks that blonde and grey suits me really well, but every time I see the pictures of when I went dark green, I just love the dark look on me. But that's just because I'm a fucking emo. No, but fucking love it. So happy how it turned out. I'm also wondering what it's gonna do when I'm gonna bleach my roots, because last time when I had blue, when I bleached my roots, it became purple, and it was like a reaction, and I couldn't get it out unless I bleached it, so that's not great. So hopefully that's not gonna happen. But I'm really curious how it's gonna wash out, so I'll definitely try to not lack on making videos and give you an update on that. And for now on, I don't know what to say anymore, so I'm gonna end this video. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this hair color and if you like it or not. And yeah, that was it for today. See you in my next video. Bye!